What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Damar, and we're back with another video. And this video is the Grail Steal of the Year. I said it already, this is the Grail Steal of the Year. I'm not gonna waste any time with this. Shout out to Lucky Dog's clothing store. They actually hooked us up with this, and we got the steal. That's right, the Steal of the Year. So as you can see, YouTube, this is our Grail Steal of the Year. That's right, these are the Travis Scott High Jordan 1s. As you can see, these are used based on the toe box right here and the suede, but yes, these are the Steal of the Year. We're gonna tell you exactly why. Yeah, YouTube, so we got those for $9.75. Like I said, yes, they are used. We got them from Lucky Dog clothing store. And yes, I called Joe and he didn't answer, of course. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it. Yeah, you know, right? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. There's really no question here about it. Like I said, we got this from $9.75. You can see right here on StockX, these are around $1,700. Obviously, with the aggressive StockX fees, they're almost at like $1,900. So definitely, it's a great steal. And let us know what you guys think. Comment, like, and subscribe. Let us know if you think that the Grail Steal of the Year. Personally, I think they are. I spoke to Joe. I think he does too. And let us know if you agree. So, peace.